Hello, Fruitport High School chemistry students. Here is a little video to help you with the January 8th homework, how to use the simulation and how to turn it in. I went over this in class, but just in case you need this again. So you will see this document shared with you in Google Classroom, and you can just click on this link to open up the simulation that we're looking for. You could also just Google PHET, that's Phet, balancing chemical equations. But when you get to this image here, you want to hit play and it will load up the simulation. Now there's two tabs. There's a game tab, that's your homework, and there's an introduction. If you'd like to play with the introduction, it's not a bad teaching tool. You can put in these little balances to balance the nitrogens and the hydrogens, and you can insert, maybe one doesn't seem to be level or balanced, maybe two or three, and you can kind of mess around and hey, finally I figured out the right answer. And the idea for this is not to just guess and check, but to think and count. And here there's two blue nitrogens, and on this side there's two blue. The nitrogens are balanced. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white hydrogens, and if you count carefully, there's also 6. And you could try some other equations. You could try it with no tool as a challenge or a different way of counting. But I really want you to spend time as the games. There are 3 games, 3 levels of practice problems, and as you play the game, you earn stars for correct answers. And so I'd like you to play 2 of the 3. If you're kind of not so good at this, do the level 1 and level 2. If you want a challenge, try level 3. Actually, if you do all 3 levels, I will give you extra credit. So you're going to play the games by opening this up, and the score, what you can do is there's 0 HCl's, and you can see I can put up to 7 of these HCl's, but I'll just start with 1 of everything and I'll count. And I see 1 green and 2 greens, and that's not balanced. And so I need more greens. I can't really cut this down to just 1. They're kind of stuck in twos and pairs. But if I put in this one here, I now have 2 greens total and 2 whites, which matches this side. And if I check my answer, I get 2 points because it's correct. If I try it and I get it incorrect, watch this, they'll let me try again. And if I were to, let's see, if I want one of these, that's 4 oranges. There's 1, 2, 3. Now there's 4 oranges, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see, I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think that's the right answer. But because it took me 2 tries, I only get 1 point. Okay, so now I'm going to get these wrong on purpose. So we can just kind of move along here. And I want to show you what it looks like when you're done. I don't really want to give you all the answers, okay? And you'll see I only got 1.5 out of 5 stars, okay, which is not that great. I want you to try over and over again. You'll see that it kind of keeps a log of how you're doing, and I can go back and play level 1 again if I'm not happy with my score. You want a good score? Get as many stars as possible. Again, you have to do 2 of the 3 games worth of levels. If you do all 3, I'll give you extra credit. But that's not it. There's one more thing that you need to do. You need to turn this in. And I cannot see your scores unless you take a picture and share it with me. So you're welcome to use your phone, kind of hold up your phone to take a selfie with your face and your screen behind your head, and you can upload that to Google Classroom assignment, or you can email it to me. And if your face in this with the screen, I know that you made that screen, okay? If you don't have a phone, you're not comfortable, you can try doing a screenshot. But a screenshot needs your name in it for the full point. If you just send me a screenshot, that's not as good. So I found if I take this tab and slide it down, it kind of opens up a second window, and I can make sure that the window behind it has my name someplace. Like maybe here is, if I open up Google Classroom, I see my name Kobalak there. And if I open up that other image and kind of make it a little bit smaller, I can kind of like place this where my name Kobalak and my results are in the same screenshot. I can hit the screenshot button and then I can save that into Google Classroom or into email me the image. You have to do that to get the credit. Okay, so good luck on the homework assignment. You know to email me if you have any problems.